Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stir-fry rice noodles. First, select your rice noodles. Flat, medium-width ones work wonderfully. You'll want to soak your dry noodles in hot, not boiling, water for about 10 to 15 minutes. This softens them perfectly without making them mushy. Once they are pliable, drain them very well. This step is crucial for preventing soggy stir-fry, ensuring each strand is ready to absorb all those delicious flavors. Next, let's get our vegetables and protein ready. Aim for uniform, bite-sized pieces for your veggies like bell peppers, carrots, and snap peas. This ensures even cooking. For your protein, whether it's chicken, shrimp, or tofu, slice it into thin strips. This helps it cook quickly and integrate well with the noodles. Don't forget to mix your stir-fry sauce ingredients in a small bowl beforehand. This saves time during cooking. Now for the exciting part, the stir-frying. Heat a large wok or a spacious skillet over high heat. Add about 2 tablespoons of high smoke point oil. First, stir-fry your protein until it's fully cooked, then set it aside. Next, add your prepared vegetables to the hot pan. Stir-fry them quickly for about 2 to 3 minutes until they are crisp tender, retaining a nice bite. High heat is key here for that authentic stir-fry texture. Finally, let's bring it all together. Return your cooked protein to the wok with the crisp tender vegetables. Now, add your pre-soaked and drained rice noodles. Pour your delicious stir-fry sauce evenly over everything. Using tongs, gently toss and fold all the ingredients together for about 1 to 2 minutes. Ensure every noodle strand and piece of vegetable is beautifully coated in that savory sauce. Serve immediately and enjoy your homemade stir-fry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.